अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। बिफोर आई स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो मैं थोड़ा सा डिस्क्लेमर दूंगी। डिस्क्लेमर ये है कि दिस इज़ नॉट अ वीडियो ऑफ मी टेलिंग एनीवन एल्स कि उनको क्या करना चाहिए। इट्स जस्ट अ वीडियो क्लियरिंग सम मिसकंसेप्शंस बिकॉज आई नो हमारी सोसाइटी में बर्थ कंट्रोल पिल्स को लेके खास तौर पे एंड जनरली फैमिली प्लानिंग को लेके बहुत मिसकंसेप्शंस हैं। सो आई जस्ट वांट टू talk about my experience and clear some of the myths up. You are free to do what you want, and if you don't believe in family planning, that is fine. If you don't believe in pills, that is also fine. But this is for the women who would like to know more about birth control pills and my experience with it. So I think the biggest and most widespread myth in Pakistan when it comes to oral contraceptive pills is that these pills cause infertility. And this is something मैंने इतनी दफ़ा सुना था, मैंने डॉक्टर्स के मुंह से भी ये बात सुनी हुई थी. So obviously I thought the same thing कि ये pills infertility cause करती हैं. So about 2 years ago जब मैं इस्लामाबाद में अपनी गायनोकोलॉजिस्ट के पास गई और मैंने उनको बताया कि I would like to adopt a form of birth control, she recommended that okay, I will start you on an oral contraceptive pill. And I asked her the same question. I said okay, but मैंने तो सुना है कि ये infertility cause करती हैं. She said look, there is no evidence to suggest कि ये pills infertility cause करती हैं. हाँ, जब तक आप pill ले रहे हैं obviously it will stop your normal cycle. That's the whole point. Your body is not fertile, therefore you cannot get pregnant. She said once you stop taking the pill, from 2 to 3 months after that point, your fertility comes back and you are able to conceive. After that, in the long run, it does not affect your fertility. उन्होंने अगली चीज़ मुझे ये बताई कि जब आप पिल ले रहे होते हैं तब भी एक चांस होता है प्रेग्नेंट होने का. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी कंसिस्टेंट व्हेन यू टेकिंग द पिल. आपको हर रोज़ सेम टाइम पे पिल लेनी होती है, या मतलब 1 घंटा ऊपर हो जाए इज़ फाइन, but you have to be very consistent and very careful in taking the pill. You shouldn't skip too many days or anything. So she said इसका ये 100% फर्टिलिटी को तो जब आप पिल ले रहे हैं तब भी नहीं रोकती, एंड देयर इज़ नो एविडेंस कि ये लॉन्ग टर्म में फर्टिलिटी को अफेक्ट करती है. हाँ, शी सेड ये हो सकता है ज़रूर कि you had some underlying fertility problems that you did not know about, and when you stop taking the pill those problems come back. और if you're taking the pill say for 2 years and unrelated to the pill आपकी बॉडी में कोई फर्टिलिटी इश्यूज भी डेवलप हो जाएं, बट शी सेड कि इन दोनों चीज़ों का आपस में कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है. This was in Pakistan 2 years ago. Then I moved to Dubai. I went to the gynecologist and I asked her the same question because ये सवाल मैंने बहुत दफ़ा सुना है, मैं अभी तक सुनती हूँ. तो मैंने उनसे सेम सवाल पूछा, वो हैरान हो गई, हंसना शुरू हो गई. एंड शी सेड कि नहीं, ये एक मिथ है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. And then again, when I came to Germany, I wanted to continue the same pill prescription. So I asked the doctor the same question and she just nodded her head and she said, look, I wouldn't be giving it to you if I thought this was bad for you. So just, trust me on this. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ये सुनी सुनाई बातें होती हैं. So I think I can fairly easily believe 3 different doctors telling me the exact same thing कि 3 महीने बाद fertility वापस आ जाती है. अच्छा, दूसरी जो चीज़ मैंने सुनी थी और अभी भी मुझे सुनने को मिलती है वो ये है कि ये आपकी बॉडी में हार्मोनल चेंजेस कॉज करती है. और हम लोग जो डॉक्टर्स नहीं होते, हम ये सुन के कि हार्मोन्स चेंज हो जाएंगे थोड़ा डर जाते हैं. मैं भी डर जाती हूँ. साइंस बिहाइंड दीज पिल्स इज एक्चुअली दैट दे डू गिव यू द हार्मोन्स. दीज हार्मोन्स आर ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट इन योर बॉडी बट दे गिव यू अ डिफरेंट डोज ऑफ दोज हार्मोन्स, and because of that your cycle gets affected and that's why you don't ovulate and you don't get pregnant. So this is exactly how the pill is supposed to work, by giving you those hormones, and there's nothing to be worried about कि इसमें आपकी बॉडी में हार्मोन्स ज़्यादा आ गए हैं. This is how the pill functions. What I will do is I will leave some links down below for those people जो हार्मोन्स सुनते हैं और फ़ौरन से डर जाते हैं. The links will explain how these pills work and why the word hormones in this context is not something to be worried about. Yes, the pills do contain hormones, but that's how the pills help prevent pregnancy. अच्छा, नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द एक्चुअल साइड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ द पिल्स. नाउ कोई भी जब दवाई आप लेते हैं उसका लीफलेट खोलते हैं, देयर इज सो मेनी पोटेंशियल साइड इफेक्ट्स दैट कैन अकर इन यू. इसका ये मतलब हरगिज़ नहीं होता कि हर इंसान को हर साइड इफेक्ट होगा. हर किसी के साइड इफेक्ट्स वेरी कर सकते हैं. आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस. सबसे पहला जो सबसे मेजर साइड इफेक्ट लोगों को देखने में नजर आता है, दैट इज वेट गेन. आई पर्सनली हैव नॉट गेन्ड एनी वेट ऑन द पिल, विच शोज यू दैट यू कैन बी ऑन द पिल एंड नॉट गेन वेट एट द सेम टाइम. I do know of people who think they have gained weight on the pill, so there is a possibility that you will gain weight. Before I started taking the pill, I also knew कि ये possibility होती है, and the way I made the decision was then would I rather have some extra weight, or would I rather have an untimely pregnancy? For me, the decision was very clear. I would rather, thoda sa weight gain ho bhi jaye, it's fine, but in my case, I have not gained weight. Another common side effect that people have is migraines or headaches. I have also not had that. Another common side effect is mood swings, and I have not experienced any mood swings either. So as far as the common side effects go, I have been very lucky कि मुझे कोई common side effects नहीं हुए. एक unintended फ़ायदा मुझे ये हुआ है कि I used to have a lot of acne, and it was hormonal acne. वो मैं कुछ भी करती थी, कुछ अर्से बाद वापस आ जाती थी. So eventually it came to a point where I stopped doing anything about it, and when I started taking the pill, my acne cleared up, and for 2 years my skin has been amazing. So that's been an added plus for me. It's not something मैं acne के लिए pill नहीं ले रही, but just it cleared it up, and I'm happy about that. Perhaps when I stop taking the pill, the acne will come back. Maybe it will be worse, I don't know. Now the reason why I'm telling you all these things is because I want you to not be so scared. It's entirely possible कि आपको कोई side effects होंगे ही नहीं. But if you do have side effects as well, you have options. When I went to my doctor, she prescribed me this pill, and she said usually side effects शुरू के महीनों में ज़्यादा होते हैं, so if you feel any side effects, come back, we will change the pill for you. And I did not have any side effects, but I know that's a fairly common practice क्योंकि हर किसी को एक ही पिल सूट नहीं करेगी. Everyone's body is different, everyone's needs are different. So it's entirely possible that a pill that works great for me will not work for someone else, and in that case they should not just think कि pills सभी बकवास हैं. They have different formulas, and they can always go to a doctor and get a new pill prescribed for themselves. एक मेजर प्रॉब्लम पिल को लेने में होता है कंसिस्टेंसी. अ लॉट ऑफ women end up with untimely pregnancies because they are unable to take the pill every day. For me, मैं बहुत सिंपल चीज़ करती हूँ. मैंने अपनी पिल को अपने नाइट स्टैंड पे रखा हुआ है, और मैंने फ़ोन में अलार्म लगाया हुआ है. सो बिफोर आई स्लीप the alarm rings and I remember to take the pill. I don't miss it. Even if you do 1-2 घंटे ऊपर भी हो जाए, it's not a big problem, but you should not be missing it a lot, and you do have to be very consistent. If you're not consistent, it is true that you can get pregnant. Now, if you're someone who's thinking of starting birth control, where should you start? The first thing you should do is go to a good gynecologist. Tell them about your concerns, tell them about your history, and tell them what you would like and how long you would like to remain on the birth control for. Based on that, वो आपको कुछ options देंगे जो आपके लिए work करते हैं. I would suggest coming home and also doing some of your own research. I don't mean यहाँ वहाँ से पूछना. I mean go on the internet, look for authentic sources, and just see how each of these things work on a medical or scientific level. I know we're not doctors, तो हमें कोई भी चीज़ 100% समझ नहीं आती, but for me it's important to know that these pills that I'm putting in my body every day, what potential effects can they have on my body. And I think एक तसल्ली रहती है जब आप पढ़ते हैं from medical experts के okay, for example, they don't cause infertility, even though lots of women in my life have said that they do. Final thing I want to address is the connection between birth control pills and certain kinds of cancer. This is obviously very scary because no one wants to put something in their body that can cause cancer. This is tricky with birth control pills because they are known to reduce the risk of certain kinds of cancer, such as ovarian cancer, although they might slightly increase the risk of certain other kinds of cancer, such as breast cancer. Again, I'm going to leave 2 links below. These are the links that I think are very authentic. They're from leading cancer organizations from the US and the UK, जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा research होती है cancer पे. So I think these are links that we can trust. These are resources जिन पे हम rely कर सकते हैं. That being said, feel free to also do your own research on this. I know cancer is a very big scary word, and it's not something हम में से किसी को भी जो lightly लेना चाहिए. I wish there was a conclusive yes or no answer, and if the answer was yes, obviously we would not be taking the pills. But from what I understand, the risk is very very minimal, and overall जो benefits हैं pills लेने के वो outweigh करते हैं risk को. That's my understanding of it. That's what I've been told by my doctors, and that's what I've understood as well. That being said, I always suggest that you as a woman, as a human being, in fact, should know what you put into your body, and you should make informed decisions about it. So it's important to listen to other people's experiences as you've listened to mine today, but don't base your decision on my experience. Don't base it on XYZ's experience. आप अपनी नीड्स को मद्देनज़र रखें, आप अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस को मद्देनज़र रखें, आप अपनी बॉडी के बारे में सोचें, और फिर आप डॉक्टर से एजुकेट होकर अपने लिए एक इन्फॉर्म डिसीजन करें. I hope you found this video useful. Just to reiterate, this is not me telling you what to do, this is just me telling you what I do with my own body and why I make the decisions that I make. I hope you found this video useful. I hope अगर आपके mind में कोई fears थे थोड़े से कम हुए होंगे, and I hope this will encourage you to see a doctor if you are thinking about birth control. Thank you so much for watching and bye.